Problem 183, Classical Mechanics. The question is, the time period of a simple pendulum under the influence of the acceleration due to gravity g is t. The bob is subjected to an additional acceleration of magnitude root 3g in the horizontal direction. Assuming small oscillations, the mean position and time period of oscillation respectively of the bob will be. First, let us consider the time period of a simple pendulum under the influence of the acceleration due to gravity alone. The time period of simple pendulum under the influence of gravity g is t is equal to 2 pi into root of L by g. Now, the bob of the pendulum is subjected to an additional acceleration of magnitude root 3g in the horizontal direction. That is, the bob of the pendulum is subjected to an additional acceleration of root 3g in the horizontal direction. Now we have an effective acceleration, that is a resultant of g and root 3g. Let it be g effective. Now what is the time period when the bob is subjected to an additional acceleration of magnitude root 3g? The time period of simple pendulum, the subjected to an additional acceleration of root 3g is, we can write it as t dash, that is equal to 2 pi into root of L by g effective, where g effective is the effective acceleration or it is the resultant acceleration of g and root 3g. We have the expression for g effective is g square plus root 3g whole square plus g root 3g cos 90, and that is equal to 2g. That is, g effective is equal to 2g. Therefore, the time period of simple pendulum subjected to an additional acceleration of root 3g is t dash is equal to 2 pi into root of L by 2g, that is 1 by root 2, 2 pi into root of L by g. Now we have t is equal to 2 pi into root of L by g. Therefore, we can write t dash is equal to t by root 2. This is the expression for time period of a simple pendulum which is subjected to an additional acceleration of root 3g in the horizontal direction. Now we have to find out the mean position. That is, we have to find out the value of theta. We have g acting vertically downwards and root 3g which is acting horizontally. Therefore, g effective is equal to 2g. Now what is theta? Theta is the angle to the vertical. From the triangle, we have cos theta is equal to g by 2g. Here theta is the angle made by the resultant vector to the vertical. That is, we have cos theta is equal to 1 by 2 or theta is equal to 60 degree. Therefore, from the given option, option C is the right option.